how you doing? We got the situation, we have to leave Thailand now, literally. We are flying off from Thailand, going back to Bali tomorrow. This is all due to the family reason, as Winny's family reason. Obviously there's the little situation with Winny's mom. It's not tragic, but it's serious enough, as we have to cancel, postpone everything what we are doing here in Thailand in the past 2 months and back home. Well, what I'm gonna tell you, family is the most important thing, right? It's serious enough as Winny has to be around at home in Bali. So she already canceled her school today. Even she didn't even start it yet. She's supposed to start it in 3 weeks, but she already canceled it. And well, they didn't even give her the refund, but it's okay. This is not about the money, it's about the situation with the family. We already checked out from our condo, and well, basically tomorrow we're gonna be having a flight back to Bali. So I will probably not vlog for another 2-3 days due to so much things to do and so much is going on. But after 2, maximum 3 days, I will see you back again in Bali. I'm so sorry for an inconvenience, and well, I know so many of you actually enjoyed our series from Thailand since we left Bali, but sometimes the life is not going always how we wish or what we expect. Well, family is family, it's the important thing. All right, just I wanted to quickly let you know, yesterday's video was basically the last one from Bangkok. Well, I'm still in Bangkok, but this one is not considered as the proper vlog. I just wanted to let you know, guys. Yeah, I will see you in next few days from Bali. Thank you so much for your attention. See you.